Mrs. Purvi Anthony, the founder of Just Dogs. What were the things which you took care since the inception?
Just Dogs culture में हमारा है counsel, don't sell. So it's important to counsel. Firstly, I think it's very important you have to be very sure before getting the pet into your house because it is a full-time responsibility.
The service or product which is close to you, which you offer.
So personally, if you ask me, grooming is very close to my heart. Unconditionally, yours came from, of course, the love of the pets. Like pets, they love us unconditionally.
Okay.
We are present on Amazon, we are selling on Flipkart as well.
Okay.
And now quick commerce is also in the picture.
Was it a boon to start from Ahmedabad or was it a curse?
I would say a boon. You should love pets, you should understand pets. Pets should be the priority if you want to stay long term in this
Okay.
business. If you want to do it, you can do it. Hurdles to anything.
Hello everyone, welcome to Variety with Vishwam. This is the third episode and where we are going to interact with Mrs. Purvi Anthony, the founder of Just Dogs. They have a very inspiring story to tell. They were pet parents. She has worked as corporate trainer in learning and development in corporates. So they started from one outlet and which they have gone to 45 outlets, and here we talk about her. So Purvi ma'am, thank you for joining us for the show.
Thank you for inviting me. Really excited about the conversation.
Thank you. So ma'am, you have always been a pet lover or you had always had pets at your home?
So always been a pet lover since I was a kid.
Okay.
हमेशा था कि I wanted kids at home, but मम्मी ने बोला जब खुद का घर होगा तब लेंगे because पहले we were shifting from one house to another.
Okay.
So once in 9th standard we had our own house. सबसे पहला मैंने बोला मम्मी को अब तो लाना ही पड़ेगा pet.
Okay.
So that time I got like my first pet.
Okay.
उसके बाद first से second से third. So I had 3 pets.
So that love continued for pets forever.
Yes.
So at one point of time, when you were staying in your new house, you had 6 dogs at one point of
Yes,
time.
that is after I got married.
Yeah.
So like even before we started the business, we had 6 pets, Rottweilers and German Shepherds.
Okay.
So yes, that love continued and maybe that motivated me or inspired me to start this venture.
Right. So now you had 6 big breed dogs. How difficult was it to manage them?
It was difficult, so I will tell you an interesting story. So Ashish, he was last working with Barclays Bank and he was heading the entire West.
Okay.
So जब भी we were in Ahmedabad, तो जब भी उनका promotion आता था, he used to refuse कि नहीं हमें Ahmedabad में रहना है because we were living in a bungalow.
Okay.
Now moving with 6 dogs to Mumbai would have been very difficult managing.
Absolutely.
So then 15 days he was in Ahmedabad, 15 days he was in Mumbai. So then bungalow था तो we were able to manage.
So pets were the priority.
Pets were
Professions
the
was taking a little back seat
Yes,
sometimes
yes.
कि भाई promotion आ
पहले
रहा है.
उनका comfort देखना था, उसके बाद हम बाद में.
Right. So yeah, I understand. Being a pet parent, I also understand. It's pets are very important part
Pets
of
are
the
the
family.
focus of our life,
Yes,
I would say.
yes. They are part of our life and they are more than our life.
Absolutely.
So you and Ashish sir both were working professionals. You had worked in corporates.
Yes.
You were on the training side, and Ashish sir was in Barclays Bank.
Yes.
So how did this entrepreneurial idea came in to you?
So 2010 I had taken a small break from work. Then I thought कि I would like to do something of my own. And we had pets. And getting good quality products, services, that was not there.
Right.
Then I thought कि let's do something for the pets. Get good quality products, services. वहाँ से this idea got initiated. And
Okay.
we started our first outlet in Ahmedabad, in Nehru Nagar.
Right. Usually what happens is a lot of people see another business and then try to add value, improve on it. But when you started, there were not much of pet stores
There
in
were
Ahmedabad.
pet shops, I would say, but they were dealing in pet products. Rabbits भी थे, birds भी थे. They were selling pets. Fish भी थे वहाँ पे. But we wanted to do like create specialty retail.
Okay.
wherein we were only catering to dogs and cats and some products of birds.
Okay.
So that is how we started one store, and now we have created the specialty retail chain.
Okay. So once Just Dog started, how was the journey? How was the beginning?
Beginning, of course, started with difficulties
Okay.
like getting the correct location, finding a place was a problem.
Hmm.
Getting people was the biggest problem we faced because nobody wanted to work. Nobody understood कि pet industry क्या है. Pet industry तो था ही, like pet store में क्या काम करेंगे, what career growth would be there.
Okay.
So it was very difficult to find people. So only pet lovers were ready to work with us.
Hmm.
So जो मिला, then we started working. So initially तो we were only doing the majority portion of work.
Okay.
Sitting at the outlet, selecting products, selling, billing, doing spa.
Okay. So was handling 6 dogs at your home was a experience for you?
Absolutely.
Which helped you in taking care of dogs in a more efficient way.
Yes, because you get to learn about their behavior, you know how to handle them, you understand the pets. And for any business, if you are getting into it, I feel understanding the business, understanding it is very important.
So what were people's reaction when you started with Just Dogs?
Mixed reactions. Majority were surprised या बोलते थे कि क्या कर रहे हैं. Pet business nobody understood. And people thought कि pet like working in corporate, working in banking, now what? Pet shop खोल रहे हैं. So mixed reactions. Only
So,
pet.
क्या business होगा वही दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा था
Yes,
कि
so
भाई
they
क्या
could not understand कि क्या होगा, क्या करेंगे, what is the growth. And
Okay.
लोगों को लगता था कि pets के साथ काम करना थोड़ा सा नीचे का काम.
lower level
Lower
work.
level, yes.
So it was not something where there was respect.
Yes.
So disrespectful.
Yes.
That was the thought process of people.
Then, yeah.
Of course. So as you said, you faced a lot of hurdles in this entire process. But were there any times where you felt that things are not moving in the right direction? हमसे ना आदमी आ रहे हैं, जगह में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, लोगों को समझा नहीं पा रहे हैं. Were there ऐसे situations भी थे जहाँ पे स्ट्रेस आ जाता था?
Of course, like any business, stress तो होता ही है. Like from starting even till now, there are hurdles.
Okay.
But I think you have to keep your focus and keep moving in the right direction.
Okay. So was Just Dogs profitable from the first year itself?
Yeah, so we are throughout profitable, like right from the start till now, we were profitable.
Okay.
So we were using the resources mindfully because whatever savings we had taken a loan. So I think we were using the resources mindfully, and yes, we were profitable.
So initially, as you said, it was profitable from the first year. But initially, I'm sure you would have the need of investments when you're doing something new. You would have bad stocks, lot of things. So funds की जरूरत तो पड़ती ही होगी. So were there any problems which you faced initially in setup stage?
Yes, problems to थे. We have, like I said, we started from whatever savings we had, or we had taken a small loan. So we had to manage somehow
Okay.
with that.
So you were managing with a small loan and your savings,
Yes.
and you went all out in that. So when did actually you realize that no, we are growing at a faster rate?
So this like once the first store started doing well, we opened our second outlet in Bhopal,
Okay.
in Ahmedabad itself, and एक करके like from one store to another. Then we moved to like Pune. We opened our store in Pune. Then we expanded to South. We opened our store in Bangalore. So step by step, we were
ये
expanding.
रिमोटली इतना पर्सनल अटेंशन वाला बिजनेस था, तो इतना पर्सनल अटेंशन वाले बिजनेस में रिमोटली सब मैनेज करना, हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वाज?
So, see, we want to give the same customer experience in each and every outlet. So we have to train people. We have to constantly be in touch with them, talking about what is happening at the outlets. We also keep traveling. Now you have like Google Meets, and also it's easier to connect.
Okay. Now, apart from this, what were the things which you took care since the inception?
Again, the customer experience, how people are handling the pets, how they are talking to the customers. Are they understanding the customer's need and then providing the solution?
Okay.
So जस्ट डॉग्स कल्चर में हमारा है counsel don't sell. So it's important to counsel, important to understand the need of the customer and then give the solution.
Okay, you always give an importance to guide the customer, guide the pet parent, because when they come for the first time, they really don't know how to handle the pets.
Yes.
So I'm sure you would be bombarded by new
With
pet
questions,
parents. हाँ वो तो
how
सवाल.
to handle pets. Like
Yeah.
नया puppy है, adopt किया है, how to take care of the puppy, how to take care of the kitten.
Yeah, so panic हो जाता है
Yes.
कि भाई ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. So what were the things what are the things you guide the most on for a pet parent?
So first of all, it is a big responsibility. You are getting a living being in your house.
Okay.
So firstly, I think it's very important you have to be very sure
Okay.
before getting the pet into your house, because it is a full-time responsibility. It is equal to raising a kid.
Right. So is it important for even the pet parents to be very, what as you said, the parent should be sure. What are the things the pet parents needs to be sure of when getting a pet?
Sure of like how would they handle, if see they are working, how will they handle the pet, training the pet, उनका meals कैसा रहेगा, because you have to take them out for walks if it is a dog, what to feed, taking care of their grooming,
Right.
vaccinations.
So all those
Everything
things
is
are very important. So how did you manage to get the right employees to handle so many pets? Because every day I'm sure each outlets handles multiple pets they take care of for grooming and different things. So how do you really
So see,
do
before we started the business, Ashish got trained in like behavior and training the dogs. I got certified in grooming.
Okay.
Then we only trained our staff because there was no other institution where people could be trained. So we only learned, we only trained the staff. Now you have nutritionists and certified trainers, but तभी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था.
Right. So how, as you and Ashish sir were involved in the business together since the day one, but he was working, he continued to work,
Yes.
and you started
So
it.
I started this and he joined it, say about after 6 months, full
Okay.
time.
So 6 महीने में ही आपको श्योर हो गया था कि यही करना है, because you took that risk of him being in the corporate level, moving out.
Yes. So 6 महीने में actually इतना अच्छा response मिला कि I told him now you also quit and you also come and join the business.
So initially थोड़ा था कि if something doesn't work then you have a backup plan, but then in 6 months you got that
Absolutely,
complete
that
idea.
confidence, yeah.
Right. So what are the favorite your things which Just Dogs is best at, or probably it is the service or product which is close to you which you offer?
So personally, if you ask me, grooming is very close to my heart because all these years I was grooming the pets.
Okay.
So that is one service which is very close to my heart.
Okay. So now I'm sure you would have seen a very big change in the product range which you were offering when you started, and now there is also change in the market where big brands across the world are coming to India and they are opening stuff. There are a lot of Indian brands. There are a lot of celebrities like Virat Kohli coming up with their own brands.
Yes.
So there are a lot of people who are doing it. So do you think that the range which you were offering, now you have a very big range and earlier you had a very little number?
Yes, earlier we had limited options. Now you have a big range in everything, like be it shampoos, you have specialized like shampoos for short coat dogs, long coat dogs, you have different types of conditioners, you have paw creams,
Right.
you have raincoats, what not, I mean everything आप कुछ भी सोचो that is available for the pet.
Right. Your tagline says unconditionally yours. So you blended it with your goals. So how come that tagline came in?
Unconditionally yours came from, of course, the love of the pets. Like pets, they love us unconditionally.
Okay.
Any other relationship, I feel it is a give and take relationship. But
Right.
when a pet is loving you,
Okay.
they love you unconditionally. They don't expect anything in return.
Right. For them, a plastic bottle will be a toy, or for them, good soft toy will also
So
be
in
a
the
toy.
same way as a brand, we are also loving them unconditionally.
Right. Right.
So,
So, what are the things which you take care of when you talk about pet safety?
so when the pets are coming in our outlets or for spa, it is very important that the people are trained to handle them,
Right.
because there are different temperamental dogs. So you have to be very calm and patient while handling the pets. So
Okay.
that is.
Did you ever imagine that you would become one day India's leading pet brand, and one day you will become number one pet retail outlet?
So we always wanted to give the best to the customers.
Mm-hmm.
So from 1 to 45 stores and maybe new stores in the future. That is the motive behind the growth.
Okay. So, how important is social media and online business in today's world when you talk about pet industry?
So social media, I think, is very important for every business nowadays.
Okay.
That is a platform, I think, wherein the customers are interacting with the brand.
Okay.
So, like for example, if you see Instagram, you have so many pet influencers nowadays. So pets के अपने खुद के Insta handles है wherein they are posting about their stories, about what they do every day, what they are eating, where they are going.
I am one of them. So, yeah.
So, yes, so I think you understand the importance of
Yeah,
social media.
pet parents are crazy with. They want to capture that every day, and now with good photographers coming up, they want to capture, get shoots done. They want to have a family moment. The way it's about the childbirth, it's also about the birthdays of the pets and
Absolutely.
everything. So
Absolutely.
they share it. So that's how it is.
So we use social media also for educating and spreading awareness about.
Okay. So it's not just
products.
product promotion, it is also majorly used for awareness.
Yes, so for people who are pet parents, for those who don't have pets, they also enjoy in looking at the videos and the pictures of
Okay.
pets. We do like webinars, we do,
Okay.
yeah, so different videos on YouTube.
Okay. So great. So how do you use current e-commerce platforms?
Yes, so online, see, 2020 when COVID hit, that is where we scaled up the online.
Okay.
Because initially our stores were closed. When we got the permission, stores were open, but then that is the time when we were getting lot of orders on our website.
Okay.
So now we are equally active on online. So we have our own website. We recently launched our own application.
Wow. Lovely. So you have your own platforms by which you interact with your current customers and you have promotions.
Yes, we
So
are present on Amazon. We are selling on Flipkart as well.
okay.
And now quick commerce is also in the picture.
What's quick commerce?
Like Blinkit and
Okay.
like quick delivery, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes
Okay.
deliveries.
So how do you manage for deliveries apart from the cities and areas you have stores?
So that online, we get orders on our website.
Okay.
So we are like delivering pan India.
You're delivering pan India.
Yes.
So you have your own network which works to deliver
Yes.
people. So now usually when a venture gets success, a lot of people start offering for funding that we'll do partnerships, let's collaborate. जब business successful हो जाता है तब बहुत सारे offers आते हैं. So how did you manage to say no?
So we were bootstrapped for 11 years.
Okay.
2011 से 2022. 2022 March we got our first funding
Okay.
from Six Sense Ventures.
Okay.
So, and yeah, it's been a good journey.
Right. So why did you take that funding in 2022? You didn't take funding for
Yes.
11, 12 years.
Yes.
Then immediately, what was the need or
For
plan?
faster growth.
Okay.
So that is where we thought that now we need the funding to spread rapidly to other cities and to scale up our online business. That is where we thought that we will go for funding.
Okay. So for growth, you majorly took the
Yes.
funding. And
Yes.
what is your advice for ventures? Whether they should go with a bootstrapped view method or they should take funding?
See, it depends from business to business, and I would say whatever suits you. If you feel you need a funding in the early stages of your business, that is also fine. And
Right.
if you feel you can run it bootstrap for a few years and then go for funding, that is also fine. So whatever suits your business best.
But if you take the funding at a very initial time, you lose lot of your equity.
If that is true, so I think it depends from person to person.
So it depends from person to person, business to business.
Business to business.
So what you did was you took the funding to grow, to scale up.
Yes.
So ideally, what you suggest is that for scale up you take funding.
Yes, we were getting the business model perfect first,
Okay.
and then we thought
To
go for
scale up.
funding. Yes.
Okay. Scale up and funding.
Yes.
So majorly your all outlets are company owned and company managed.
Yes.
What is the reason behind it?
So I feel given the same experience at every outlet, whether the person is shopping in Mumbai, whether the person is visiting a store in Delhi or in Pune, I think the same experience is very important.
Okay.
So I feel when the stores are company owned, we are training people on a regular basis. The same function or the same services are being provided everywhere.
Right. Was it a boon to start from Ahmedabad or was it a curse?
I would say a boon. Although Ahmedabad was a very difficult market to start with.
Okay.
सबने बोला भी कि why are you starting from Ahmedabad? Ahmedabad, as you know, is majorly like veg dominated market,
Yes.
and people थोड़ा लगता है उनको कि नॉन वेज होगा, पेट्स होंगे.
Hmm.
But then we were lucky enough.
Right. Right. Great. So Ahmedabad was a good test market for you to
Yes.
make sure that your all difficulties
Yes,
are
अगर अहमदाबाद
conquered.
में अच्छा हो गया तो कहीं भी अच्छा हो जाएगा.
यानी ये रूल कंफर्म है जो कॉर्पोरेट्स बिग कॉर्पोरेट्स डू इट बिलीव इन कि अहमदाबाद इज अ ग्रेटेस्ट टेस्ट मार्केट.
Absolutely.
सारे हर्डल्स क्रॉस कर लो फिर बॉम्बे पुणे इजी हो जाएगा.
Especially this business, अगर अहमदाबाद में सक्सेस हो गया तो कहीं भी सक्सेस हो जाएगा.
Okay. क्योंकि अहमदाबादी इज ऑल्सो कॉस्ट कॉन्शियस मार्केट. डू यू थिंक दैट?
Cost conscious से ज़्यादा I would say they seek value for money. Like if they see इस product में value है, they will go for it.
Right. So what is your one piece of advice to anyone who is getting into pet industry? क्योंकि अभी तो क्या हुआ है, since COVID the number of pet parents who are taking pets have increased, number of people wanting to get into pet industry has increased. What is that advice?
See, I feel pet business is a very different business, emotional driven business, and anybody who is wanting to get into this business has to make the pet the priority.
Okay.
इसलिए पेट सबसे पहले होना चाहिए because sometimes you have to take decisions wherein maybe monetary आपको लॉस होगा, but पेट को पहले रखना पड़ेगा.
पेट को पहले रखना पड़ेगा.
You should love pets, you should understand pets, pet should be the priority if you want to stay long term in this
Okay.
business.
What inspires you the most in this entire journey?
See, I would say my pets, and every day I'm working for so many pets. That keeps like motivating me every day.
Right.
कि I'm doing something for them in whatever little way I'm contributing. That keeps motivating.
That keeps motivating. So
Yes.
your pets are your biggest inspiration.
Yes.
What is the biggest lesson you have learned while running Just Dogs as a venture?
Biggest lesson I would say to keep your focus. See, difficulties आते हैं, there are ups and downs.
Okay.
Some days I feel कि नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay.
But then I think it's important to keep your focus, and I think your passion keeps you going.
Okay. So who is your support system in this entire venture?
So I would say luckily my husband, my co-founder, he's the biggest support system
Okay.
because we are in the same business. So like घर पे business में I think he has been the constant support.
Right. But working with husbands and wife, was it difficult or was it mixed?
Mixed. See, it is always an advantage, I would say, but उसके disadvantages भी होते हैं कि there are constant discussions, constant disagreements भी होते हैं कई चीजों में. But I think ठीक है. It is a part of
life,
working together.
and you enjoy working
Yes,
with your life partner
absolutely.
as a business partner as well. Great. So it becomes trust as the most important aspect
Yes.
when you work with your life
Factor
partner.
is there. You both know you're working towards the same goal.
Right. What were some of the memorable moments between both of you running the venture?
So there are a lot of memorable moments, like start from launching the store, interacting with customers, looking at beautiful adoption stories. Talking to the customers itself is an like experience wherein आप इतने लोगों से बात करते हो, उनके एक्सपीरियंस, उनके जर्नी के बारे में जानते हो. So I think all these moments.
Right. So how do you divide the work between you and sir?
Yes, so he's majorly taking part of the finance, the operations, the expansions. I take care of the marketing, HR, and the retail.
So is it important to have clear division of work?
I think it is very important
Right. So
to
it is
divide the roles.
right between two leaders. The division of work
Yes.
is the most important aspect. So Just Dogs has always done out of box marketing. Being me as a customer, we have attended a lot of events. We have attended photo shoots. You've invited us. We're delighted to have photo shoots, especially your photographers are outstanding because my wife being a photographer, she hardly gets time to get clicked. तो बहुत unique experience था.
So we have to think of different ideas.
Right.
How to like do different kind of events. So as you know, we do photograph events. We do paw printing events. We have general get-togethers at our stores. We do birthday bashes wherein we celebrate the birthdays of the pets at our store.
Okay.
And petathons.
Petathon, आपका recently petathon हुआ था. How difficult
Yes.
it was to manage so many dogs at one time.
It was difficult, but it was exciting. I think the pet parents were very excited because as it is, you see, बहुत कम जगह होता है कि wherein you can go and enjoy with your pets. Majority of the places the pets are not allowed.
Okay.
So ऐसा कुछ भी event होता है, the pet parents are just like waiting for any such event wherein they can come with their pets and enjoy.
Okay. So such moments where you're trying to brand your brand with opportunities where you connect with the customer, you engage with the customer feels happy about that entire
Absolutely.
experience.
And if you see in this business, the customer and the consumer is different.
Okay.
I am interacting with the customers, but my main consumer is the pet.
Okay. So as you said, pet is your consumer. So is it important where everyone in your store tries to guide the customer what is right for that pet or not?
Yes, absolutely. We try to guide them. We try to give them the correct information according to the need of the pet. For example, if you are coming, आपको कोई treat का packet का color अच्छा लगा, you will pick up that treat. You don't know whether वो dog के लिए
सही है या
नहीं है. So that is where we come into place and we tell you yes, so this is the correct treat for your pet. Or
Right.
correct toy for your pet for that matter.
Okay. So you guide कि ये breed के लिए ये toy सही है, ये breed के लिए ये food सही है. So that all things.
Yes.
Okay. So in these days, you see a lot of videos where there are stories of animal cruelty. It is very painful for people in pet parents and people who are into the pet industry. A lot of pain. What can be the solution towards it to stop animal cruelty?
It is very sad and horrific at the same time when you see such videos wherein people are troubling the strays on the streets.
Okay.
I think coexistence is one factor which is very important. And if you don't like the pet, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि आप उसको नहीं पसंद है, आप उसको hurt मत करो.
Right.
Let them be there. I see a lot of videos wherein people have problem with people feeding the dogs.
Right. या आप क्यों यहाँ पे फीड कर रहे हो? Also there are a lot of police issues, people, police complaints, lot of quarrels, lot
Yes,
of
in
fights.
societies I have seen like आप lift में ले जा रहे हो तो there are problems. Pets are not allowed in the parks, so there are these kind of issues coming up. But I think it is important कि we have to change our mindset. We have to think about coexistence. उनको भी equally right है यहाँ रहने.
Right. How do you contribute? How does Just Dogs contributes in such instances where you? How do you contribute in terms of with the stray dogs and animals?
So again, we try to educate through social media, or
Okay.
we have like webinars where we teach how to approach
Dogs.
dogs,
The
like
street dogs or
even street dogs,
regular
even
pet
at your
dogs.
house. We let them come and sniff you. They will not harm you.
Right.
You have to be calm and patient.
Right. What are the social initiatives Just Dogs has taken to contribute in taking care of the strays? Because you're very sensitive about dogs and their adoption.
So we have our Just Dogs Foundation, wherein we are doing regular feeding drives. We feed the streeties. We do like reflective collar drives because see
Okay.
there are so many accidents happening on the road.
Mm.
So we make them wear the reflective collar, which reduces the accidents.
Right.
We also like in Petathon we did like water bowl distribution so that गर्मी में सब जगह वो water bowl से like they can.
Right. So what's your message to pet parents? How can they do small things taking care of the street dogs, stray cats, stray animals where they don't have any pet parents?
Like provide them shelter, provide them food, love them. I think
Right.
that is the
Most important thing.
most important.
Right. So how do you really balance your personal life and professional life? Because your pan-India presence, traveling, lot of things happening. How do you do it?
So I feel there's not a perfect formula for work-life balance, especially if you are ambitious. I think कोई perfect formula नहीं होता है work-life balance का. But when I'm taking like off from work, like on a Sunday or some other day, I think I enjoy whatever I'm doing, whether it is cooking or reading a book or just relaxing.
Right.
So I just focus on
Okay.
that.
Okay. So being a woman who started a new venture, initially तो बहुत तकलीफें रहा होगा कि because people
Yes, it
take it
is.
lightly. क्या रहा था वो experience कैसा था?
पहले तो I think people feel कि होगा कि नहीं होगा. So people don't take you seriously.
Right. So ये होगा नहीं होगा ये.
And it is difficult managing house and work. But I
Right.
think if you want to do it, you can do it. Hurdles तो आएंगे.
Hurdles तो आएंगे. You have to conquer it. You have to learn. You have to be ready with the
You
world.
have to keep moving.
Right. So you deal with lot of products and a wide range of products. What are the kind of products available in today's market, and what are the top running products which you provide from Just Dogs?
So all kind of products from shampoos to conditioners to toys, and wherein you have toys according to the breeds, according to the usage. You have beds for dogs now, even shoes.
Okay.
And special shoes for rainy season, raincoats, winter wear, festive wear. जो आप सोचो वो available है.
So जो भी सोचे वो available
Yes.
है.
And much more variety than the humans, I would say.
So great. So yeah, it is always fascinating to get lot of things for pets. I have a basket full of toys at my home. So and they play it for a day or two and then they forget it, and then after 15 days
नया
again.
toy चाहिए.
हाँ, उनको नया चाहिए या तो पुराना निकाल के लाओ तो वो खेलने लगेंगे. So that's how it is. So pet parenting is a very different kind of experience for sure. And ma'am, where do you see there are a lot of problems coming in that a lot of family adopts? फिर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, फिर छोटी सी बात के लिए कि ये हमसे मैनेज नहीं हो पाता है, और फिर पेट्स को अडॉप्शन के लिए दे देते हैं. So what's that message for pet parents?
See, as I earlier also said, it is a big responsibility. आप लाने से पहले 100 बार सोच लो. Don't give it as a gift.
Okay.
Don't just take it ऐसे instance कि आज लेना है और ले लिया. You have to think about it, be prepared for it. I mean, get prepared for it, and then only get the pet. But अगर कुछ ऐसे instances होते हैं, so we play the role, like we help them to get a good house, loving family.
Right.
Through our social media,
Through your stores.
stores, yes.
And
We do adoption drives also at our
Okay.
stores, wherein we help the streeties also get a good house.
Right. Now a lot of social ventures are also coming up, social causes for dogs are also emerging. Even at a lot of places there are cases where animal cruelty हुआ फिर adoption फिर से होता है. तो ये cases अभी बढ़ रहे हैं. There is a trend. A lot of people are adopting again.
Yes.
But मैम क्या वो पेट के लिए या वो डॉग के लिए या कैट के लिए इमोशनली ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग होगा?
It is traumatizing because if you are rejecting them, I think they understand it very well.
Right.
But I think once they get into a good house, a good family, I think भूल जाते हैं.
Right.
So, I would ask you something. You have 2 beautiful beagles.
Yes.
So, how did you get them in your life?
So from a very early age, I was fond of dogs. One of my aunt, we used to visit them in summer vacations in Udaipur. So they had a cocker spaniel. So we were fond of it. Then while I was growing in Gurgaon, I was fond of a golden retriever. So वो बाजू में था तो पास होता था, जब भी पास होता था तो खेलने जाते थे. And then we had dogs at our farm in Gurgaon for safety and security purposes. कि भाई कुछ भी हो तो भाग कर दे तो at least सब alert हो जाए, because we were staying at remote places. But then in Ahmedabad we didn't have. So always I wanted to have it, but then my parents were not sure of having dogs. So then the moment they shifted to a new house, I immediately got the pet. हाँ, यानी उनके शायद 1 साल हुआ होगा और मेरे को सिर्फ एक बहाना चाहिए था. So to convince my wife, she's more fond of pets than me now. Earlier she was not sure कि यार हम dogs कैसे रखेंगे. So first I got a dog where one of the trainer helped me, and it was the moment I remember Just Dogs पे ही आए थे और he said that you come to Just Dogs, I'll hand over the dog there. So वहाँ पे मिले, छोटा सा 2-month old, हमें तो पता भी नहीं था कि कैसे करना है क्या नहीं करना है. Then one of my cousin, जिसको देख के बार बार इच्छा होती थी, he had a Doberman, तो वो आया था, he guided me. हमेशा उसने मुझे डरा ही दिया था यार बीगल इज अ वेरी नोटोरियस ब्रीड, वो आपके घर में ये कर लेगा वो कर लेगा. बट देन इनिशियली 2 महीना झगड़े भी होते थे डॉग के साथ. वो दवाई देने में तो क्या नौटंकी होती थी, उसको पॉज के अंदर लिक्विड डालना है तो उसके अंदर पूरा उथल पुथल कर देता था, उसको पकड़ के जबरदस्ती. पर फिर समझ में आया कि कैसे पेट को हैंडल करते हैं.
Yes, you learn with time.
ऐसा था कि पहले 4-5 दिन जो थे, 4-5 दिन क्या पहले 10 दिन, every 1 hour I had to clean the pee and the potty. Every 1 घंटे पे, यानी कनिशा तो बोल देती थी, my wife used to say that यार ये मैं नहीं करूँगी, तुम लाए हो तुम जानो तुम करो. So luckily I was working from home at those times when I got the pet, and it was a very conscious decision to get pet. So
now you have 2.
Yeah, now I have 2. So first dog I got, then second dog is an adoption story. So she was 8.5 months and she was around 15 kgs of weight. तो 15 किलो वेट था 8.5 month बीगल का. So which हमको समझ में नहीं आया. जब वो बंदा दिल्ली में बैठा है, उसकी मॉम चांदखेड़ा में है और वो अकेली है, वो डॉग को कभी अपने फ्लैट में से बाहर ले ही नहीं गए. यानी जब मैं एडॉप्शन के लिए लेने गया, she didn't have the collar. So I had gone, luckily I was being told कि भाई तुम लीश ले आना अपनी, तो सेफर साइड के लिए. तो मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया. तो मैं चला गया, मैं लेके आया। मैं जैसे ही लेके आया, शी वाज कंटिन्यूअसली पुलिंग मी ऑन द लीश। शी वाज नॉट श्योर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। एक जैसे तैसे उसको गाड़ी में बिठाया। द पेट पेरेंट्स मॉम हेल्प मी इन द कार। तो उसको वो हैंडल से हमने बांध दिया और मैं उसको लेके आया घर पे। सो शी वाज लाइक स्केयर्ड। तो उसको लेके आए तो वो शी वाज नॉट श्योर। प्लस वो जैसे नीचे लेके आए तो वो दौड़ने लगी, भागने लगी। तो उसको एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया हुआ था। सो दैट एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस हैपेंड। देन for 1 year we were dedicated to work on the weight loss. Luckily we got a good veterinary. We got help from your store, and I had got that second adopted her because sometimes initially तो बहुत टाइम दे दिया, पर फिर वो अकेला रहता था तो we were not able to see. He was very sad.
Yes.
कई बार वो हम 2 घंटे के लिए भी छोड़ के जाते थे तो they were very sad.
Dogs also go into depression.
Right. तो कोविड में तो initially we had heard stories that there are a lot of separation anxiety. Do you think कोविड में बहुत pets and pet parents had?
Yes, I think बहुत जिन्होंने बिना सोचे समझे ले लिया and then they started working. Then I think they could not keep them and वो फिर abandon करने लगे.
Right. Even for the second dog we had a big argument कि नहीं अभी एक है, 2 को कैसे संभालेंगे? But I said we have enough space. We will be able to take care. We have put 300-400 square yard garden where they can run around.
And now they have company.
Yeah, they have company. So वो उसका weight issue अपने आप कम हो गया. We had balanced their diet. We had given them obesity special food. Everything you have to do it. And कई बार ध्यान रखना है. And then you have to take care of the pet.
Absolutely.
हर चीज में ध्यान रखना है. So I would take this opportunity to share that every 6 months you have to take your dog to a veterinary. You have to go for checkup. You have to take care of nail cutting, everything. If there is anything abnormal, you have to report to the veterinary. अगर veterinary को आपने नहीं report किया तो वो problem solve नहीं कर पाएगा. So and maintain the file. So होते हैं ऐसे situations where really loving dogs are there and उनको adoption में देना होता है, तो please prefer for adoption and then you think of buying. And also indies are also very fond. So in farm we आपको believe नहीं करोगे कि the moment we used to reach there the dog was fond of us. So वो उसको पता ही लग जाता है, वो दरवाजे पे आ जाएगा, वो सब हो जाएगा. जैसे every now and then when my wife's horn बजता है गाड़ी का तो वो बालकनी में आ ही जाते हैं. उनको कुछ नहीं करना, उनको आ ही जाना, दोनों को आ जाना. And they would bark from up that भाई कहाँ छोड़ के चले गए थे. So that's how it is. So now we'll just move to the rapid fire round. You love dogs or cats?
I would say both.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Night person.
What's your favorite dog breed?
I'm biased towards Rottweilers.
Okay, they are very aggressive breed. People say that फिर भी
I would
Rottweilers.
say it's a myth.
It's a myth.
Yeah.
You should know how to handle the dog.
Yes, correct.
Tea or coffee?
Tea anytime.
The book you like the most?
The last book which I read, Leaders Eat Last, I think it is a very interesting book.
Your dream vacation?
London.
One thing you cannot live without?
I can't live without working.
Okay, आप बैठे नहीं रह सकते,
नहीं,
कुछ ना
everything
कुछ
मैं
चाहिए.
कुछ करते रहना है.
The entrepreneur you admire the most?
रतन टाटा जी.
Why Ratan Tata?
He's so humble, so simple, and again for the work he does for pets.
Right. So the very wonderful hospital,
He has
the
just
small
launched
animal
in
hospital
Mumbai.
in Mumbai,
Yes.
is a wonderful concept. And what's the most comforting food?
Rajma chawal.
What's next on your list?
A solo trip.
Okay. So अभी तो क्या है, आपने आपकी ग्रोथ स्टोरी चालू हो गई, 45 स्टोर्स कर लिए हैं. अभी कोई बड़ा माइलस्टोन रखा है जस्ट डॉग्स के लिए या?
To expanding to other cities where we are not present, to tier 1, tier 2, and reaching to as many pet parents as possible.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
We thank you for your time and thank you for the amazing work you're doing for taking care of pets. Thank you very
so
much.
much, sir.